12:30 train on 45 Southern Pacific 6 time. What's up? The Echo. The Christmas Echo. If it does the actual Christmas type Echo. But we'll find out. Yet again, get to see the beautiful 425. Fashion show queen. Echo time. I'm spot on today. I'm doing a good job with my new position for the camera. My new camera angle. I'm doing really good. I'm doing spot on. I'm not back on my own camera angle, and I'm never gonna do my old one. Wait. Why did I hear the bell? Okay, we're stopping. Wait, no we're not. Well, false alarm on the whole echo thing. Nah, we're just gonna go by Carpenters. I thought we were echoing, but never mind. Silly me.